Alright guys, we don't want to go over to the macro before we are able to print out. We want to have a button here which helps us to what? To print out these specific invoice. So we should have the button somewhere here, though it won't show in our printer, so we are cool. So you go over to developer. If you can't find the developer menu, you go for file, and then you go over to options. On the options, you go over to custom ribbons. You just need to ensure you check on the developer right here because it's by default unchecked. So you ensure you check it and you go for OK so you can get the developer. So when you click on developer, okay, developer, then you go over to insert. We are going to insert ActiveX control. So click on the button right there because we've selected the cell already. So we'll put that in here. Right click on it. First of all, I'll go in for command object, edit, and then call that print. When you're done, you can hit outside. It's going to change. Now the next thing we'll do is right click on it and go for view code. When you go for view code, it comes over here to create a new sheet for you. That's a new document. So what I'm going to do here is paste in all my code right here. Control copy. That's Control C basically. Highlight all of this code and paste. I'm going to put the same thing in my file and ensure you download it and you use it. Then after that I'll go for save. Alright guys, after going for save, here it's asking us to save our workbook. I've not actually saved it, so I will go for my Excel macro enabled worksheet and go for save to save that for me. Alright, so that has been saved nicely. So right now all I need to do is uncheck my design view and I'm good to go. Now when we click on the print, you realize what we got. Okay, so let's print one more. Let's print just one because it's going to print one of this invoice twice. Alright, so let's go for OK. When you go for OK, it's going to start printing out on your printer, but mine, I'm using the PDF like I told you earlier. So go for 3, save. Alright, 4 for the next print out, save. And then now it wants to save my soft copy of the printout because this particular sheet will be updated for the next invoice that will be created. So I'll go for OK. And there I got it. So after my printout, you realize I have it here. So let's check out the printout, which is 3. So when we go for 3, guys, you realize that we have our invoice with the number of 2 now. Okay, and everything is intact. So this is for this client, which is perfect. Today's date is automatically generated. So everything is generated. All the only manual information is the item names, the quantity, and the unit price. All of these will be automatically generated for you, including the total cost. And I'm sure your client manager and the account number and telephone will remain the same. The signed person will remain the same. That's just it. So every other thing will be generated for you, including the ID number, the cost, and to save a lot of time. Okay, so over here, let's try. That's basically it, guys. So I'm going to bring in an image in case you want to beautify your invoice. Let me use this. Alright, that's way too big. Let me reduce it. Put it right here. Okay. And then what else? I can change it. So I have the quantity of this item 2 that was bought was rather 5. When I go for 5 and then I press the enter, I realize I get updated. Okay, everything gets updated, including the total amount, the tax, everything. So when I increase, I realize that there's a mistake. They were told that item 8, a unit price was actually 50, not 5. So when we go for 50 and press enter, there'll be an update. Alright. And the total cost is 1,222 Ghana cedis. So if you were given 1,100 Ghana cedis and you press the enter, you realize that this is the change that needs to be given to the user. That's how you create an automated invoice. Okay, using Excel. You can use Excel 2013, 2016, 2010, 2007. It would work. Okay, it would definitely work for you. So if you're facing any challenge, you can hit me up in the comment section. You can post a question in the forum. You can check out my blog, vincentechblog.com, for more information on these, or if you have any issues. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more wonderful videos. Cheers. Bye.